Hey guys, I'm Joanna, and today Damon is going to be reviewing these patio lights that was sent to us to try out. Okay, so I'm super excited that we finally got to upgrade our patio with these lights from Amazon, and my husband obviously did all the work and I just supervised. So he said that it was pretty easy to install. They're warm white, super sturdy. He had them up in no time. They're also shatterproof and waterproof, which we definitely needed. And without delaying any further, here is Damon.
Hi, I'm Damon, and today I'm going to be reviewing this 100-foot LED outdoor string light. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So when you open the box, you have your 100-foot string lights, you have 2 spare bulbs, and then your technical details for the lights themselves. So let's go ahead and put them up. So here's what they look like during the day. I decided to just go around twice. Here's what it looks like at night. When it comes to these lights, I like the fact that one, I don't need an extension cord. There is a 10-foot reach between the plug and the first light, which makes it very convenient. So I can just plug it into the wall, string it up to where I want it at the top, and I don't have to have another cord plugged into it. I like the fact that it's an addition to our patio. We use it for the patio, but you can use it for like a gazebo, pool area, backyard, or wherever you may need it. I also like the fact that you could plug in extra lights into it if you needed to, so it can string more than one light strip. But yeah, I would definitely highly recommend these if you want an addition or an upgrade to your patio, backyard, gazebo, or pool area.